Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to make these beautiful petal bows. This is what they look like. It's such a pretty bow. It looks quite complex, but it's much easier than it looks. And this is all using 1.5-inch ribbon. Okay. And we need 4 times 16 centimeters, and I'll put all the measurements in the description below. And I've done 2 plain and 2 with silver edge, and this is in navy blue, and this is royal blue, I believe. Don't quote me on that, I've probably done it the wrong way around. No, this is royal, that's navy. Told you. Royal blue, navy blue. And then I've also got this matching silver edge 9mm for the middle, and I've got my piece of 34 centimeters for the base bow a little bit later on in the video. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is heat seal all your ends in the blue clear bit of the lighter, like so. The other thing you want to do on all 4 pieces is a tiny little heat crease just at the beginning. Now we're going to do the gold, well, the silver edge for the inner, for the petal. So what you want to do is take both of your pieces, and from where your pinch is, use that as a guide, and you make this triangle shape, and then use a clip or something such as this to hold this in place. Okay, and then fold one side in so that your edges line up like this, and you've got this look. You see the beginning of the petal shape, of the inner petal shape taking place, and then you fold that backwards, bring in that side so that it's lined up and meets that edge, and then you can move your clip. And then what you want to do is take this side again, fold it in so that you've got your edges here, and then bring that backwards so it lines up with here. Clip that across, and you'll get this cute little petal shape. And then we repeat for the opposite side. Make our triangles down, clip across, fold it over. So I've got this shape, bring it backwards, still all nicely lined up, and clip it across. Fold it over so that the edges join, bring that up and line it all level with everything. And then this will be your fronts, and this is what the backs will look like. Okay, and then with our pinch, use that as a guide. You want to pop that across there and clip. We're going to do the same this side. Pop that on there. Clip. So you've got 2 pieces that look just like this. And then from here, you want to push this up. So curve it so it's coming towards. Can you see this motion? So push it up, and then again, using that centre as a guide, you bring it across there, and then I take an extra clip. You want to put that here. Okay, and then you repeat it this side. You push it up. So from here, you push it up so it comes over, and again, use your centre as a guide, and you can line everything up, and you move your clip out of the way so that you have this. And this gives you this look here. Okay, And we're going to do exactly the same thing this way. Push up. So you push it up and then bring it across so it lines up with the centre. Take clip, move this one out of the way, and again push up, over, line everything up, and clip it, and then you'll have the two pieces that look like this. Now with your needle and thread, your stitching's important on this one, so move your first clip out of the way. From above you're going to go 1, 2, your first one, second one wants to be coming through all your layers, 3, and your fourth one wants to be coming through all of those petals there. So all of your layers, 1, 2, 3, 4, and again you want to be doing the same this side. So in through everything for 1, 2, your third one down through all your petals, your layers, and your fourth one here. So it's 8 in total each side. Okay, and then if you pinch it all together, you will get 4 creases, 2 pinches, on each side. Okay, and then we're going to repeat on this side. So again, you start from above, 1, 2, 3, take your clip out, 4 through everything, move your clip, 5 through everything, 6, 7, your 8th, your last one, and again you will have 4 creases. On this side I've got a little bit of fraying, so I'm just going to get that with my lighter, not catch my thread. So I was doing that, and then you'll get 4 creases on this side as well. And again, as normal for me, you can make these in 2 pieces and glue together, whichever's easier for yourself, or you can do the cinch method like I do and then go back round with your threads, catching that free. And if you do the cinch method like me, you get the more like curved look to the bow. If you do 2 pieces and then glue them together, you get the more squared look. Neither way is right or wrong, it's all about your personal preference. So I'll just line them up, and then I'm just going to do a back stitch from the back, just across the centre. And then just throw a stitch in the back to stitch off. I'm just going to re-knot this, ready for my base bow. And this is the look that you will have. Okay. Let's see in a minute once it's all squared off. And then with your 34 centimeters, decide which direction one you want. You can go either way. I start this way, so to the right. I place it underneath my bow to work out, because you only want a little bit showing either side. And you can sort of do it whichever direction you want, backwards or forwards. So I'm going to start this way. And as I said, work out how much you want. I sort of play around doing this. Okay, about right. And then clip here and clip here. You can see I've done about 1.5 centimeters. And then on this side you'll see here just that, so that they're both 1.5 centimeters up, so it balances it all nicely. And this is a look that you'll have. It's sort of like half pinwheel, but it's like a zigzag version. And then use this to line it up. Do a nice heat crease down the centre so you can see where you need to stitch. So you have this, and then you want to put 6 stitches in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and stitch. Wrap round a couple of times. And stitch off in the back. There we go. Then we can take these 2 clips off. I'm just going to curve that one down, that one over, and heat seal. Blue clear bit of the flame. And there's your cute little base bow. And I've got a 35mm clip. I want a bit of glue across here. And glue that on the centre. Then we want to take our clip and glue that on the back. There we go. And then with our matching 9mm, like I said, this one also has a silver edge to it. We're going to glue the back, and I'll show you how to do the slightly twisted middle, because it gives you like a little bit of more interest than just a standard wrap round. So you wrap round once, bring it back so it's all nice and tight, and open your clip up. And again, make it sure it's nice and tight directly over, and you want to do a twist. Hold on, I just missed my centre slightly there. I just unhook this. There we go, it's gone slightly out. So what I'm going to do, just to stop that from popping out of the 9mm before I wrap it, is put a drop of your glue, and it will pull it in without you having to take the bow apart or anything like that. And then you can bring it all around. There you go, can you see the difference? And then what you do is take your thumb against here and then twist that over, and then you bring that round and you get that cute little twist there. It just looks a little bit different and like cute without actually having to make an awful lot of effort. Heat seal as normal. Touch of glue. Wrap it round. And there you go. You've got a cute double petal bow and I think this would look really cute in school colours. This is one of the reasons why I've done these in these colours, because obviously it's school bow season. So you've got the royal blue and the navy blue, which are, like I said, perfect for school bows. It's just a little bit of difference with the silver and gold edges, and just interesting enough to be like a more unique school bow look and like a more classic look. And it's also a smaller one, so it's suitable for most schools, because I know some schools have policies about how big they allow bows now as well. So it's always worth checking if you've got your catchment area, make sure they're actually allowed the bow sizes that you're doing your bow sets, so you catch all of your sort of area that you're looking into. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.